So this is how to fix Forza Horizon 5 is not connecting online. So make sure to follow exactly my methods. The first one, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find it running right here like this, make sure to right click on it and select End Task. That way you reset any type of glitching that may causing the issue. For the second step, you need to make sure that you are already connected to an internet and you have at least a good internet connection. To do that, you need to go to the browser, run the speed and see if that is causing the issue. Now after doing that, you need to go type in Forza Horizon 5 server status to search if the problem is on your end or it is from the server itself. Look for a couple of sources. I usually use the down detector, which is the first link. Now you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see here, user reports indicate no current problem. So that way you ensure that you have the problem, not the server is down or something. So for the next step, you should go to the search and type in cmd. Make sure to run it as an admin. Now you need to type in this command, ipconfig space/release, hit enter. To that, type in ipconfig space/renew and hit enter again. And now you should type ipconfig space/flash DNS, hit enter. And lastly, you should type net space winsock space reset and you can close this. Now go to the search and type in view network connections. Look for your Wi-Fi. It will be identified by this green stairs. Right click on it and select properties. Look for TCP IPv4, double click on it. After that, you need to select this. After that, you need to type in like this and hit OK. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.